The S&P 500 energy sector, the worst performing S&P group for the week. And we should tell you, I'm looking right now in the aftermarket. Oil has fallen below $60 a barrel. It was barely able to close with $60 above. With the crude in a bear market, down more than 20% from its recent highs. Why does one energy stock make the cut for our next guest? I guess Barry James, because it's on sale. You're with James Advantage Funds. And by the way, before everything else, we thank you for your service as we head into Veterans Day. Barry is an Air Force veteran. We are so grateful. Thank you.
Well, you're certainly welcome. You know, in the energy area, if we look at where we are in the economy, I would say we're probably in the early part of the fall. We're not in deep fall yet. And at this stage, energy stocks tend to do fairly well. And certainly if the market does start to turn down, energy holds up better. ConocoPhillips, just for instance, is relatively cheap. The earnings have been really good and improving, and the stock had participated in the rally. It's participating on the downside right now, and as you say, it is a bit cheaper.
Well, it's at $66.99. Where do you like it? Where do you love it?
Well, actually, I'd be buying right along the way here.
Right now.
I don't have an exact level. When I find a stock that's been in a nice rising pattern and it hits an air pocket, if you will, go back to my Air Force days, you tend to like to buy those at that point. And you know, looking at it, they've got their cost under control. They're focused on high margins. We're going to see a tightening in the oil area eventually. You know, Iran is already down $1 million a day, 1 million barrels a day. So I think it'll be just fine, and use this as this pullback as a buying opportunity.
Yeah, didn't we just have somebody calling for oil at $100 a barrel? And I mean, now at just below 60. I mean, who do you believe at this point? I'm going with Barry James. Barry, looking at the markets right now, everybody's worried about the Fed. We got a hotter than expected inflation number for the month of October on the manufacturing side. That spooked the markets earlier this morning, sending them down. Could that even be a head fake? You know, I was reading one of our notes from Sarge, one of our traders, and he said oil is down. And so if we saw inflation jump because of higher energy prices, won't that work its way through the system and cool things down a bit?
Yes, it will. It's like a tax cut. When the price drops at the pump, people have more money in their pockets. And the good news is confidence is very high today among consumers, and they're spending, which is always good for the economy, and it's good for you know, those types of consumer stocks out there. That's one of the stocks that we like, Aaron's rental, because people want to go out and buy stuff. So and sometimes they can't buy it directly, and they need to work out a payment plan. And they're doing really well with their right pricing approach that they have.
Do you worry about the Federal Reserve raising in December?
I don't worry about it at all. The stock market has a tendency to do just fine when the Fed is raising rates. However, I think is going to face the headwinds of quantitative tightening, and that's what really worries me.
Barry James, thank you for coming on, and again, thank you for your service in the Air Force. We appreciate it, and we want to thank all of our veterans who watch us every day, and any of the family members, including our own veteran here on the Claman Countdown, our executive producer, Brad Hurst.
Brad.
My guy. He's the best. Sorry we couldn't give you a better Dow number, Brad. We're down 195 points. I'm going to blame you.